Hi traders, in this video we are going to unpack what leverage is in forex trading, how it works with margin, and how to use it safely. I'll explain the core ideas in plain language, walk through a simple numeric example, and finish with practical safety tips. Let's take a look at what leverage means in forex. Leverage in forex lets you control a position much larger than your actual cash by putting down only a fraction of the trade value as margin. The leverage ratio, like 1:100, means that for every 1 unit of your own money, you can control 100 units in the market, with the broker effectively financing the difference. This magnifies both profits and losses. Small price moves on a large leveraged position can have a big impact on your account. Let's give a simple leverage example. Imagine you have $1,000 in your account and use a 1:50 leverage to open a 50,000 unit position. You only post a fraction of that as margin, but your profits and loss move based on the full 50,000 unit size. So a modest price change can translate into a significant percentage move in your equity. Used carefully, that can make capital more efficient. Used aggressively, it can wipe out an account quickly if risk isn't controlled. What are the benefits and risks? On the positive side, leverage lets you participate in the market with smaller starting capital and still meaningfully engage with small price movements. On the risk side, it increases the chance of large drawdowns, margin calls, and emotional decision making if position sizes are too big relative to your account. You can use leverage safely. Start with lower leverage ratios, such as 1:10 or 1:20, until you understand how leverage moves affect your balance in real time. Use strict risk management, cap risks per trade, always use stop loss orders, size positions modestly, and avoid concentrating too much exposure in a single pair. You can read a full breakdown of forex leverage, margin, and safe usage tips using the link in the description below. If this helped you see leverage as a tool that needs respect rather than something to max out, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with any leverage questions, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.